That didn't really work as well as I thought it was. Hey guys, what is going on? So today we're going to be going over the iPhone 10 spring colors for the leather cases. So I picked up 4 of them. I'm pretty sure that's all of them for the spring collection or whatever they called. I just want to give a quick shout out to Haley Knight for letting me know about these because I didn't even know that these dropped. So shout out to you. I appreciate everyone's help on letting me know when stuff drops and unbox it for the channel. So shout out to you and shout out to everyone that helps me with that kind of stuff like that. I don't know which one is which, so we're just gonna open these one by one. Can I open it? What's going on? This one is called Spring Yellow right there. We got this one right here. We got Electric Blue right there, as you guys can see. We got a soft pink case right there too. And the last one is Bright Orange right there. So I just want to let you guys know before you buy any of these cases right here, these are pretty much for the most part pretty light and vibrant colors, as you guys can see. They're not really dark colors except this one. This one's a little bit dark, but the rest of them are pretty light. And I just want to let you guys know about this, that leather does change color eventually. So in about a month, these things will not be the same color. They'll probably be a little bit darker. As you guys can see, this one right here, it used to be a pretty light brown, but now it's pretty dark brown just because I've been using it for like 3-4 months. So first case we're gonna go over, guys, is this blue one right here. I'm pretty sure how do I do this? Do I just pull it? Okay, wow, that is a very vibrant color right there. Wow, I actually really do like that color. It's really, really blue. Alright guys, so this is the Electric Blue. As you can see, it is really, really blue. And it's like a really popping blue. It's not faint or anything like that. It's popping and it's gonna stand out, obviously. With all these guys, as you guys probably already know, the buttons are metal, which I really do like because it gives a really nice tactical feel with them, with each case. And I do like that a lot, actually. Okay guys, so here it is. This is what it looks like with it on the phone. I have the silver iPhone 10 right here, so it really depends on. I actually really like with the silver and the blue. It looks actually really, really nice, and I'm pretty sure it would look just as good with the space gray model, but I really do like this one, and I really like the metal buttons too. It gives a really good touch, and they are a little bit darker than the leather, which makes it have a really good contrast, which I really do like about it. And yeah, that is the first one. They all have an embossed Apple logo on the back, which is a really, really good detail that I like. And after a couple months on this one, you can still see it, and it's still popping right there. And sorry about that. I drew on it a little bit. Alright guys, so for the next one is soft pink. This one I can guarantee you that it will get a lot darker. So if you don't, whoa, that is really pink, dude. I did not think it was gonna be that pink. Wow. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the soft pink one right here. As you can see, it's super pink. It's like, I don't know. I don't really know how to explain it. It is a really, really standout pink. It's not like a rose gold or anything like that. It's legit, it's legit pink. But I'm guessing after a couple months with this one, it's gonna get a lot darker. So just want to let you guys know about that, because all these cases are gonna get a little bit darker, but this one's not. It's not gonna look the same like this for a long time. It's gonna be a lot more darker than it is when you first get it, just to let you guys know about that. With every single Apple leather case, it's gonna get a little bit darker, as you can see on the corners of this one right here. That's obviously where you hold it the most, so it's gonna get the most wear on the sides like that. So if you're fine with it getting the sides a little bit darker and then this being a little bit lighter, then that's good for you. But if you don't like it changing color or anything like that, I would go with an Apple silicone case or a clear case or something like that. But yeah, this one is a pretty interesting color, I would say. All right, so for this one, guys, is Spring Yellow. This is very, very yellow. Okay, it's like a highlighter yellow. So I would say that the case is like a yellow, and then the buttons are like a highlighter yellow, which I do like the contrast on every single one. But with this one, guys, giving you a warning with this one really quick. This one's gonna get scuffed up. It's gonna get marked up a lot, just because I'm pretty sure this is the lightest color of the leather series, through all of them right here. So just letting you guys know about this one, it's gonna get scuffed up, it's gonna get marked up a lot, and the wearing of it is also gonna get a lot darker. You don't want it to change color over time. Again, I would not get this one, but I do actually like the vibrancy of this color, but I do like it a lot actually, but I just don't know what color it's gonna be after 2 months from now. But I do like the buttons too, the different colored buttons on this one. I really do like the buttons on this one. And yeah, that's that one right there. Alright guys, last but not least, this is Bright Orange right here. I'm guessing this is gonna be blinding orange. Wow, okay. That is very, very orange. So it's kind of like, it's honestly a mix between this color right here and like a red color. Obviously that's how I make orange, but like it's like, it's not totally 100% orange. Like I would say it's like a little bit of a reddish orange than an actual like orange color, if that makes sense. But I do like this one also, but guys, I barely even touched that. Like it has a little scuff mark on the back, and I literally just took it out of the case. So that's what I'm talking about like the brighter colors getting scuffed up and stuff like that, and you can see like the scuffs on it. But yeah, I literally just took this out of the case, and you can see a little like dark mark right there. I don't know if I can pick it up on camera, but I'll try. But yeah, just to let you guys know about that, it's gonna get scuffed up. These brighter colors are gonna get messed up. If you don't care about that, then that's good. If you do care about that, again, go with like a darker color like this one right here, or like a silicone case, or like a black leather case or something like that. But I do like this one, and I do like the buns as well. The buns are pretty much the same exact color as the case, I would say, but I do like this color a lot. So that is a really bright orange, dude. That's insane. Holy moly. Yeah, guys, obviously they all have the microfiber feel on the inside of the case to make sure it has really good protection, because as you guys already know, the iPhone 10 has a back glass on it, so it's a little bit more easier to scratch, I would say, than aluminum. But I'm really glad that they had that microfiber feel, because it adds a little bit more protection, and it makes sure that it doesn't get scratched as easily. It makes it like have a really good quality feel to it. As you guys know or don't know maybe, that these things are $49 each, so they are a little bit pricey, but they are really good high-end cases. Every time I get a new iPhone, I always get a leather case, because I know that the quality is insane, and the drop protection is honestly pretty good with these. I mean, obviously you can't drop it from like a couple stories or something like that, but if you just drop it out of your pocket or something like that, or like you're holding it and you just drop it, most of the time it will take care of it, and your screen will not crack. Yeah, I really do like the leather cases, and I really do recommend, if you guys have not tried one out, you really should try them out, because it's honestly one of the best cases I've ever used for my iPhone. And again, I always get one when I get a new iPhone. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to try out a leather case, these are some really interesting colors. But if you guys don't like these colors, there are a lot of other colors on the Apple website. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you guys like this video and it did help you a little bit, please drop a like and subscribe, guys. It really does help out the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.